Welcome to the Best Picks. The best auto brakes is probably one of the most important safety features of your vehicle, and choosing the right set can be confusing with so many options available on the market. This video will guide you through the process of selecting high-quality brake pads and rotors that meet your needs and budget, ensuring optimal braking performance and safety for your car. Number 5. TRQ Brake Kit for Passat. This kit provides a complete brake system upgrade for your Volkswagen Passat. It's designed for a direct fit, ensuring a smooth and easy installation process. You'll receive 2 rear brake rotors, front and rear ceramic brake pads, along with contact point grease and all necessary hardware. Everything you need for a complete brake job is right here. These high-quality ceramic brake pads offer superior stopping power and reduced brake dust, keeping your wheels cleaner and your braking performance optimal. The included rotors are designed to meet or exceed original equipment specifications. They ensure a precise fit and reliable performance. This kit is designed for a direct fit replacement, making installation straightforward. No need for modifications or special tools. Please check the listing for compatibility with your specific vehicle year and model. It's designed to fit 2012 to 2015 Volkswagen Passat models. TRQ is a trusted brand, providing high-quality automotive parts. This brake kit is a testament to our commitment to reliable performance and customer satisfaction. What we like. It's a direct fit for your vehicle, replacing your old parts easily. It comes as a complete kit, saving you time and effort. If you value convenience and a perfect fit, this is the kit for you. What people say. I noticed that the rotor thickness was more than OE. This was accomplished by making the cooling fin area narrower. It seems like that could end up being an improvement by providing more girth to the metal of the rotor, which may help reduce warpage. I installed this TRQ kit on my sister's 2020 Honda CR-V. I didn't see any flaws in the casting and machining of the brake rotors. The brake rotors, in my opinion, were very high quality. The brake pads also, in my opinion, were very high quality, and the hardware that is included with the brake pads is also very high quality. The rotors and pads installed easily and without any modification needed. After I installed the new TRQ brake rotors and brake pads, I road tested the CR-V. Braking was quiet and strong. Fit and finish 5 white medium star, noise 5 white medium star, no noise, value 5 white medium star, ease of installation 5 white medium star, everything fits together nice and snug just like it should. Number 4. Detroit Axle BMW Brake Kit. Upgrade your BMW's braking system with this superior kit. It's designed for a smooth, reliable stop every time. This kit includes drilled and slotted rotors and ceramic brake pads, exceeding OEM specifications for superior stopping power. It ensures a perfect fit and finish for your vehicle. You'll receive 4 front and rear rotors, for ceramic brake pads, and brake cleaner and fluid, everything you need for a complete brake job. These rotors and pads are built to last. They undergo rigorous testing to ensure quality and durability, giving you peace of mind. This kit is specifically designed for select BMW 3 Series models, including the 323i, 325i, 328ci, and 328i. Check your vehicle compatibility before purchasing. We stand behind our product. Enjoy a 10-year warranty on this brake kit, giving you confidence in your purchase. The front rotors measure 11.81 inches, 300 mm, and the rear rotors are 11.57 inches, 294 mm. Ensure these dimensions are correct for your vehicle. What we like. These drilled and slotted rotors offer superior stopping power and enhanced cooling. They come with a long warranty, giving you peace of mind. If you demand high performance and durability, this is the choice for you. What people say. It has always performed well and has a much long life than any of the other rotors in market. I purchased this kit as I had previously bought similar kit from Detroit Axle, which was perfect. Gets good and better braking. Number 3. Detroit Axle Brake Rotors. Introducing Detroit Axle Brake Rotors, engineered to exceed OEM specifications. These rotors provide superior stopping power and are built for exceptional durability. Ensure a perfect fit for your vehicle. It's important to measure your existing rotors to confirm compatibility before installation. These rotors are compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including select Lexus ES300, IS250, Avalon models, and Toyota Camry, Sienna, and Solara models. Please check the compatibility list for your specific vehicle. They undergo rigorous impact, wear, and fatigue testing. This ensures that they meet the highest quality standards and provide reliable performance. Each kit includes 2 premium front disc brake rotors, ready for installation. Everything you need for a smooth and efficient brake upgrade is included. While professional installation is recommended, these rotors are designed for straightforward replacement. Refer to your vehicle's repair manual for detailed instructions. What we like. These rotors are built to exceed OEM specifications, ensuring superior stopping power and a precise fit. They undergo rigorous testing for quality and durability. If you need a reliable replacement that meets or exceeds original standards, this is the one for you. What people say. Fit perfecto en mi Toyota Sienna 2008. Funciona perfectamente. Artículo de calidad construido de buen material. Great product. Number 2. Goodyear TRQ 75829F Brake Kit. This premium brake kit offers superior stopping power and a smooth, quiet ride. It's designed for a long lifespan and easy installation. It ensures low noise and dust, while maintaining maximum stopping effectiveness, control, and durability. Experience the difference. The rotors feature a special anti-ox coating that protects against corrosion and rust, extending their lifespan. This means less frequent replacements. Our patented Vulcan brake shim technology eliminates noise and vibration for a more comfortable driving experience. Enjoy a quieter, smoother ride. Installation is a breeze with the included premium hardware kit. Everything you need is right in the box for a quick and easy fit. It comes with a 3-year or 36,000-mile warranty, whichever comes first. This kit is specifically designed for select Lexus and Toyota models. This kit fits Lexus ES300H, 2013 to 2018, ES350, 2007 to 2018, Toyota Avalon, 2008 to 2018, and Camry, 2007 to 2017, models. Check your vehicle's specifications to ensure compatibility. What we like. The anti-ox coating protects against corrosion, extending the life of your rotor significantly. They're designed for low noise and dust, providing a comfortable ride. If you prioritize longevity in a quiet braking experience, this is the perfect option. What people say. Good quality and good fit for 2014 Camry. This kit looks and performs like a quality product. The rotor had anti-rust coating. No noise or squeaking. Number 1. TRQ Brake Kit for Ford Super Duty. Upgrade your braking system with this complete kit. It's designed for a direct fit and superior stopping power. These ceramic brake pads provide superior stopping power and reduced brake dust. They're engineered for long-lasting performance. The included performance rotors are designed to withstand high temperatures and provide consistent braking. Experience improved stopping power and reduced wear. This kit includes front and rear ceramic brake pads, rotors, contact point grease, and all necessary hardware. It's a complete solution for your braking needs. This kit is a direct replacement for your original equipment. It's designed to fit seamlessly into your Ford F-250 or F-350 Super Duty, 2013 to 2021. What we like. This kit includes performance rotors and ceramic brake pads for superior stopping power and long-lasting performance. It's a complete kit, providing everything you need for a quick and easy installation. If you need high-performance braking in a complete solution, this is the kit for you. What people say. Rotors, brake pads, and shims fit perfectly. Quiet operation. Improved braking over stock. TRQ brakes and rotors are top rate. TRQ provides very good YouTube videos for those that need it or have questions on the installation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.